Did you know a place can become a desert without ever getting covered in sand? No giant sand dunes, no camels, just grass disappearing, soil dying, and water becoming harder to find. So, how does healthy land turn into this? Sometimes it's drought, sometimes it's climate change making heat and rainfall patterns more difficult. But humans can make things much worse. Overgrazing removes vegetation, poor land management damages soil, cutting vegetation leaves the ground exposed. And when the soil loses its ability to hold water, the cycle gets ugly. Therefore, desertification doesn't mean a desert is literally moving. It's when productive dry land becomes degraded, losing vegetation, healthy soil, and its ability to support life. And this matters because dry lands cover roughly 40% of Earth's land area, and more than 2 billion people live in these regions. One of the most famous examples is found around the Sahara. The Sahara covers roughly 9 million square kilometers. That's almost the size of the United States. But just south of it is the Sahel, a huge belt of dry land stretching across Africa. Here, rainfall can be unpredictable, and drought can put enormous pressure on crops, livestock, and water. But here's the good news. Across the Sahel, countries are working on something called the Great Green Wall. And no, it's not one giant wall of trees. It's a massive effort to restore degraded land using vegetation, better farming, and water management. The original vision stretched roughly 8,000 kilometers across Africa. The goal is to restore 100 million hectares of degraded land. And Africa isn't alone. China has spent decades fighting desertification, using vegetation and shelter belts to reduce wind erosion in vulnerable areas. So, can we stop desertification? Yes. Protect vegetation, manage grazing, restore soil, use water wisely, and stop destroying land faster than nature can recover it? Because the biggest threat isn't the desert, it's losing the land that feeds us. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for the next one. And don't forget to keep the earth green before it turns into one giant desert.